should try this experience at least once in your life. Hello guys, do you know what is it? It's my first ever YouTube vlog. Hehe. I'll try my best to catch this Tokyo vibe and Japan vibe because it's really unbelievable to be here. Let's go! Are you happy to see me?
Yes.
Woohoo! So it's 6 p.m. and we were getting ready for too long, so we're just going to the city center and we'll do some shopping, I guess, and maybe something else. Let's see. We are at Asakusa Temple, and do you know what? Almost everything is closed right now because they close at 6 p.m. So I don't know. Let's try this thing. Oh. Sweet potato. Guten Morgen, guten Morgen, guten Morgen, sunshine. It's raining today and I forgot my umbrella, but luckily I'm not so far from our place, so I'm coming back. And here, my umbrella. Let's go. Now we are so ready for our one-day trip from Tokyo to the mountains. So nice today. So we're on the way to Okutama and we just missed our train, and the next one will be in 20 minutes, so we have nothing to do. We just bought some bananas and look at this view. Perfect spot for a banana. Pizza. There is no pizza here. How to understand this? Just me in the middle of nowhere in Japan, near the mountains, and it's raining. Unbelievable experience. Am I dreaming? We're just walking around the city and there's literally no one on the streets. It seems like we're the only ones who decided to go to the mountains during the rain, but it's unbelievably beautiful. Just us, forest, mountains, rain. You should try this experience at least once in your life. We wanted to eat something, but my sister, she found a spot, and it's not just a place to eat, it's a traditional Japanese onsen, and we just had a hot bath, and it was really good. Oh, our food is coming. Sister, come. So at first, I didn't want to go there because I told my sister that I wasn't prepared, because you know, you're not allowed to be there in your clothes, you have to be naked. And I was in full makeup, and I told my sister maybe next time, you know, but she insisted, and I didn't regret it. Oh, our food is coming. Fish, chicken meat, tenyaki, Miso soup. We just finished our onsen experience, and you know what? I have a dream. I want to film everything what's happening in onsen, but unfortunately it's not possible, or fortunately, because you're not allowed to be in clothes there. That's why, of course, it's not allowed to film, but it's so magnificent out there. Can you imagine a hot bath in your just around the forest? So it's just you, wild nature, and nothing else. And in general, my favorite Japanese experience is going to onsens, because it's something really unique, something really traditional Japanese, and I just like it. We love onsen. Look. There's literally no one in this train. I have no idea why we are the only people who decided to go to this one-day trip. I can walk in the train and feel free because no one is here. The whole train is just for us, for me and my sister. 3 hours on the road, we are finally back at home. And you know, where are we? Sushiro. It's that one conveyor restaurant. My sister is there every day. And today it's not an exception. So we just literally went from one restaurant to another restaurant. I like it. It's almost 10 p.m. but we are exhausted. But exhausted in a good way, you know, not in a bad way. I'm crying. Finally, it's 7 p.m. and I'm on the street. I'm out of my apartment because I've been working the whole day, and just now I have time. And I'm going to meet my sister from work, but it seems to be a challenge because I don't have internet and I don't know how to write her and ask where she is. So yeah, let's see what's going to happen. Probably I will just go to Starbucks near our place, find Wi-Fi here, and gonna wait for her in Starbucks. I'm just at Starbucks drinking my matcha, and look, they wrote me enjoy in English. So cute. Because they understood that I don't understand any word in Japanese, you know. And I'm waiting for my sister. She should come from this station. We are going to yakiniku restaurant. It's my favorite. I've been there for many times, and it's the best yakiniku in Tokyo. I'm so
Меня интересно.
So, we're at Mitaka right now. We just want to grab some snacks and I hope that we will rent a boat today. Sounds exciting. Mitaka is favorite district of my sister because there are a lot of shopping streets right here and you can buy a lot of cool stuff here, so we're gonna do some shopping. We are going to rent that swan boat. I guess it is gonna be free. I hope so. Now I will practice a little bit my Japanese because I'm gonna bring back this trash to the food court and say "Gomi bako arimasu ka?" It means, do you have a trash can? Gomi bako arimasu ka? Oh, arigatou gozaimasu. Mission completed. Nothing special, just you can buy ramen right at the train station. Right to Kamakura. Welcome to Kamakura.
Mitaka.
You cannot imagine how beautiful is out here, like literally. It's so beautiful. feel about this experience?
Very hot. First time in my life. It feels so hot.
Okay, she feels hot and look at her what she's wearing.
It's normal in Japan.
Yeah, she didn't lie. People also wearing the same. We're at the main street of Kamakura and we are trying to find some food as usual. Nothing new here, you know. My plate, my sister's plate. Oh my god, pickled cucumber. This is a necklace from the store. So cute. I have this one. And I have this one. This one and this one. And this one. One moment later. Ice cream, very good. Oh my god. At the ocean. I am the happiest person alive.